is Sean Williams, and this is going to be a quick demo of my NanoSite. My NanoSite is based on a fictional Denver oncology department that allows doctors, patients, family members to upload CVs, papers, books, presentations, and different type of media to the web platform in order to share with doctors and with each other. I'm just going to go through all the basic use cases that we implemented for the site. And this includes the ability for users to log in, log out, create profiles, check basic validations on users. Allows the applications to list all the members of the web portals. You can add and delete friends. You can send messages to each other. And another one of the core functionality is being able to browse, read, edit, add, and delete various publications that's hosted on the web portal. So I'm starting here. This is the landing page for the site. Right here you see it gives ability to users to navigate to the sign up page, or if users can log in. And also down here there's a little bit just kind of about page about the site, kind of just put together. Same with what you can do on the site, developers, and if you want you can send feedback about the site. So I guess I can go ahead and do that real quick. I'll put my name here and then I'll put my email here, and this all has client and server side validation. Oops, so I can type. So let's say if I take my name out of here, it's got an on blur that has a validation there, and it does that for this. It does that in all the input fields. So I can go ahead and send my message, and Rex's message sent and navigate you to login. So let's go ahead here and sign up real quick. Let's see here. Then again, on all the input fields, there's server and client validation. So for instance, for the username, if I type a username or someone that already exists, I'm gonna click off of it. It'll go in and check and see if that username is available or not. So that username is available, but if I was entering a username that was already taken, it's UTD. See, it checks against the backend. So I can type in another username that is taken, that I know is taken, and it kind of updates here. I can go in here and type in my name, then it updates it. Then you can see some of the validations already taking place. If I click off of it, it tells the user that it's required and what needs to be done. I can go back and fill that in. Let's see. Alright, so click sign up. It persists all the information, tells you it's created a profile, there's messages, and it takes you right to the dashboard of the application. Quick overview of the dashboard. Up here it tells you the total number of publications that have been uploaded for all users. Then it breaks it down by the types. So there's 1 CV publication, 2 papers, 3 books, and 11 presentations. Down here is the overview of what you've uploaded right now. Since I just created this user, he has not uploaded any publications yet. But before I get to that, I'm gonna go to my profile here on the side, and this is just information about the user who logged in. As you can see, it populated this from the database to the form, and it's ready to update, and you can see what's listed here. The same type of validation is being implemented here for like the login and create screen. So now I can come in here and let's say if I wanted to update my photo. So here's the default user photo. Here's the one I'm uploading. And here's like, see my email here. Let's say if I wanted to change my email to, I don't know, Yahoo. And again, update my profile. You see updates here, and Yahoo stuff is updated. And it gives you a message, profile is updated. So that's the profile. Let's go here, add files. This is where you can add publications. So I can come in here and I can select, I don't know, a file. Let's see if I can find something real quick. Document. Choose any type of file. Then just drop down for the type. I'm gonna do CV. I'm gonna give it my name, Sean. Publish date. Drop down for dates. Let's see. Just a fictional date. It's one page. And then all you gotta do is click submit. Then it takes you to the detail for that page where you can review it and look at it. This is actually a link to the file. You can click it here and it uploads there. That's the file you uploaded. And then if you go back to your dashboard, you can see here, this is the one file that I uploaded. It has a type, author, publish date, and then file. You can also click here to get that file. You can click here to view the file. It takes you back to that detail page. Oops, go back to dashboard. And then you can go here and edit the file. It takes you there. We can edit the information about it. Then you can also delete the file there. So that's the add in the files. The publication tab over here lists all the publications for the whole site that you and other users have uploaded. Same type of table. It breaks it down from CV, papers, books, and presentations. The CVs, you can see same thing. So this author, let's see, Raylan here, uploaded this one. I can click and I can see what she uploaded. That type of document there. You can see here in the action, since I'm not the original owner of it, the only thing I can do is view it, that document. But for instance, like this one right here, this is one we just uploaded. Since I'm the owner, I can view, edit, and delete it. So all these, I can only view these. Another thing about the table, tables here on presentations, you can see, like I said, it's broken down. This is actually sortable. You can sort this here like that, alphabetical order. And there's pagination built in. So right now it's set to 10. So if I drop this down to 25, you can see it added one more. So there's 11 here. So if I go back down to 10, you can see there's only 10 there. Then I have this pagination here. I can go to the second page and see that. So it's sortable and pagination and show all of them, things like that. Okay, so that's that. The members tab. These are all the members that have signed up, that are signed up for their and active on the site. You can kind of see their information here. A little bit about them, and there's buttons here. I can click to add them as a friend. So if I want to add Raylan as a friend, I click that. Then it takes me to my friends tab, and I can see that Raylan is one of my friends. Then if I go back to the friends tab, now I can see here the plus sign is gone. It's just the view one. So I can't add anymore. I can just view that person. So if I want to add another person, see there, it kind of dynamically it updates the list of friends. You can see how that changes there, and I can view. If I go back to my friends, I can also, start deleting some friends. If you go back to members, you see they're no longer my friends no more. So that's that implementation. Messages here, I can start. This is kind of like a community message thing. I can send a message here and say, hello everyone. And you can see the message says who the user was, their message, and the date that they sent the message. And to demonstrate that, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to open up another tab. Let's see here. I'm going to open up another window browser. Let's see here. There we go. Then I'm going to log in as a different user. So I'm going to log in as Raylan here, just to kind of demonstrate how this works. So now I can see I've logged in successful. Here I'm logged in as me. Over here I'm logged in as Raylan. Then kind of show you a comparison. Here's his dashboard. He only has one logged in as Raylan. She has, this is all the ones of Raylan's uploaded. And you can see here the difference. He can only view, edit, and delete this one. She can view, edit all the ones she's updated. Then if I go down to messages, I can see that Sean sent a message, and I can reply back and say, hello, Sean. The only thing I did not implement was the real-time messaging, so right now you do have to refresh to get that one. That's something that I'm going to be implementing, but that's just kind of how messages works. And then we go ahead and log out. Then over here on this one, I can log out, log this user out. And that just clears the session and everything, user. Okay. I implemented a real-time map with Ajax and all that stuff. Map API. This just shows where, you know, the fictional place would be. You can scroll it. It has a pop-up message with a marker. So that's it for pretty much all the functionality. Everything else is just styling and CSS, like just add for you, you know, enhance user experience. Dropping that down. There's some more navigation up here to get to quick to get to users and dashboard. I can show you how it's responsive. Goes down to, you know, mobile view. How it just kind of looks there, and it's just responsive. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for my NanoSite. Thank you for everybody for watching.